What a fish, huh? All right. Good job. We'll just let him go here. All right, man. First fish of the day.
Thank you.
It was so close. I touched him. Here we go. Raise him up. Raise him up. Whoa, boy. He just turns when he gets close to me. All right, bring that rod behind me more. There it is. Look at the color on him. He's a little smaller, but he's beautiful colors.
Yeah, it's pretty brown.
Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. I'll show you in a sec here. But I think he's already off. Yeah, hold up one more time. All right, good job. Way to go. All right.
Right away, boy.
Yep. He is doing it. Yeah, just keep that bend in that rod for me. If you got a bend, you know you're tight. Yeah, just slide him. If you get him up top, just bring him to me. And yeah, sometimes they'll, but he's on that same.
It's like my dad's.
Yeah.
I didn't want to outdo what my dad just did.
I think, yeah, give me a little tension off.
Oh, sure.
No worries.
Yeah. You can just let him go, Rick.
All right, I got him on video anyway.
Yeah. Pretty.
Yeah.
See him, Dad? Got some nice pretty rainbow.
Yeah, he is. Way to do it, man.
Yeah. Thanks. All right.
All right. Then with another one. His one, I think you made this one angry too. Are you in your backing?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna go chase him. All right, be ready to reel because he'll probably come back straight at you at one point.
Yeah, right there's the end of my.
All right, you're in your backing. That doesn't happen all that. All right, so start the reel because he's starting to get, he's letting up. All right, good. All right, reel again. Get your line, yeah. Keep going, keep going. They'll come back at you. When they go that far, they almost always come back at you. Wow. Man, into the backing. And if you fish long enough, there's not a lot of rivers where that happens, where you get into the backing like this. But this river is one of them that will do it. I'm gonna pull back for you a little bit too. All right, let him run, yeah. Wow, this dog is like, I think we made him angry. Another football. He's, you know, this is shocking. I literally was wondering if he was foul hooked. He's right in the tip of the mouth. And you saw this fish, maybe a 16-inch fish, but he's probably, I don't know how fat he is around. He went into the backing on a fair hooked fish. Look where that fly is. They're still deep fish. Yeah, he is. All right, way to do it, man. Good job again, guys.
When I was with my friends, I called this the simul trout.
We are braving the weather here,
Yeah.
but the fishing is still on.
Damn right.
Oh, he might be a better fish. Yeah, let that one go.
Yeah, they take it deep. I get it.
That reel move, yeah, get a little bend for me. Yeah, this one could be a big fish. And then do the same thing, reel him down, get close again. Here we go. Come to me. Reel like crazy. Don't give him any line. Yeah. Like when I say don't give him any line, when you walk, just take it.
Okay, I got it.
If he wants it, you gotta let him take it.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Head up now, head up. All right, no. When I get ready to just lift the rod tip up high, here we go. Look at that thing, man. Beautiful. Look at him.
Big camera set.
All right, let him go, and I'm just gonna do an underwater release for you. There it goes. All right, what do you say, guys?
Hey. Awesome.
Good job, guys.
Still smiling. Look at that. on there, and I was like, what's that got style on that?
Yeah. Oh, hit it. Good job. All right, this is the way we do it. Nice. Let's get two.
I was gonna say, we need the simul trout. That's what I thought we had before.
And he hasn't jumped yet, so I'd say chance at a brown, maybe. I don't know. Oh, ooh. That's a good fish. I saw a big flash there. Look at that. Yeah, treat him with respect. He could be a good one. You know, it's this time of year, it's just pretty out here. The leaves are turning, and it's a little sad sometimes though, because I'm like, how many more of these days am I gonna get before snow's flying? Yeah, he's a big fish. I don't know how big yet, but he is a big fish. Oh yeah, look it.
All the fish have.
Look it. It's a big rainbow.
It's a rain.
Big rainbow. Oh, fish doubles, baby, doubles. This is what we do. We got, and this is a big one here. Oh my gosh, we're gonna get a oh, he's a big one. Let him run. Wow, look at this thing. He looks like a... All right, here we go. Keep the head up, no. All right. No. Every time I get near him, he turns. Here we go. Dang, does that look like a cutthroat? You might have got the... Freaking got a cutthroat. People ask me, are there cutthroat in here? Wow, what a fish. It shocked me. I didn't realize how big it was until he come up on the top and I saw the fin. All right, now we got him. That's what we wanted. All right, now you're gonna lift the head up when we get him close, if he's ready, but I don't know if he is. Yeah, keep doing what you're doing with the side pressure. Now if you can get the head up a little bit, I'll try to get him. Yeah, a little more side pressure. Yeah, reel a little line. All right, and now we're gonna try to get the head up one more time. There it is, whoa, look at him.
It's like 21?
Yeah, it's a big fish.
That's pretty.
Hopefully I got enough knuckles to really grab him good for you.
It's gorgeous. There you go, guys.
Look at that guy, huh?
Oh.
All right. Now let me grab that real quick.
Guess what? That's what it's like 21?
Oh, I should have done
That's okay.
a look for you. Yeah. All right. Thank you. All right, so get him sideways, Lil. He's a big fish. It's not a small rainbow. Yeah. All right, keep him going this way. Look at that, a little higher up. I just don't want to go for him if he's not ready. Higher up. There it is. Look at that spot in there. But I can't remember which side it's on. But I'll tell you, he's not as big as you think. He's fat, but he's probably 18 inches. Yeah, that's probably an 18-inch, maybe 19-inch rainbow.
He is just...
There you go. You gotta love that, man. And one of the hardest fighters, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I got that on video. All right. This'll warm you up. Fishing in the rain. It may not be the most comfortable, but it's good. Yeah, they will come straight at you sometimes like that. And then just be ready to let go once he will. Watch what happens. I stand up and he'll watch this.
There we go.
Yeah. He will. Yeah. He's like, what's going on here?
Yeah, he's coming right at me.
Pretty out here with these leaves.
Yeah.
That's a nice fish, though.
Yeah, this one is.
This is the real deal, huh?
Really bigger than the last one. I can tell with this
First surge that you had a real fish on there. Well, I got a nice video of him coming out of the water. That was kind of fun. This will warm you up. That's a nice fish, huh? Oh, he is good fish. Look at that. Is that a brown? Oh. Oh my gosh, I think it's a huge brown. No, yeah. I think it's a huge brown, like a big brown. No kidding.
Really?
Oh yeah, this is like a oh my gosh. Yeah, let that line go up to the, there we go. Yeah, it's still not through the thing yet. All right, raise them up, we may get them right here. All right, raise them this way, bring them this way. Yeah. Oh, dang, look at that thing.
Oh, yeah, it's a good brown.
Hold that right there, I'm gonna go to the side. This guy. There's a nice brown. Hold it back a little farther, yeah. There you go, yeah, look at that thing. Gorgeous fish. Alright, here he goes. He's all colored up.
Yeah, he is.
And you can see this fish, that's a 20-inch brown. There he goes. Nice job. Yeah, you can get him on the reel. Don't let him loose. Don't let him loose. There you go. There you go. Oh yeah, I see him. Look at that thing.
Spoil.
Yeah, I think he's losing perspective.
I gotta see it.
Look at this thing. Look at that thing.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about, Dad.
Yeah. Oh, that's, yeah. Look at that thing.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Fishing in the rain. Now look what he's on though.
What?
The farther we get down, the more it starts to go 50-50. The last two fish have taken our sow bug.
Okay.
So. Yeah, he is. He is. That's my guess.
Hold him up, please.
Look at that thing. That's a trout. Good job. Way to do it, man.
You definitely cleared the water quite a bit. You got some vertical.
I'd like to see him come up again. I got it on video now. If he does.
Now he's making me a lion. He's spinning. Okay, yeah, he's running. Okay. What about me?
Did you have one go into your backing, or was it your dad that had to go into the backing?
Rick,
Let it go, let it go. Don't hold it, don't hold it.
Okay.
If it goes into, you went 2 fish, wins into the backing on this trip.
Good Lord. Yeah, I'm into the backing now.
Dang it.
Unbelievable.
Actually, the backing looks like it's getting low.
Oh,
All right, see if we can get that.
You didn't even just farther when you jumped out of the water. I'm thinking.
He may come straight back at you.
Okay, I'll be ready.
Just be ready for that too, 'cause that's
Are you kidding me? These fish are hot, that's all. It's just, look at that. That's snow right there, I think, guys. Is that snow? Look on the left.
Oh,
Yeah, doesn't it look white?
it does.
Or at least frosted. What do you got on there? You made this one angry.
Now he's running out.
All right, I'm coming back. I'm pulling back. Dang, I gotta see this one. Fishing in the rain, you gotta do it. Yeah, he's coming down now. He's like, all right, I'm tired. I'm gonna swim towards him for a little while. You had your backing clearly like way into it though, not just a little bit into it.
It was crazy. He was just pulling. He's still.
Wow, well, you got a salmon on there?
He's the best fighter today, huh?
All right, I think we're gonna have a shot at him now.
God, I cannot.
Oh, he's big. Look at that thing. Did you see the fin? He's not a small fish.
Certainly my best fighter of the day.
He went into your
I'm
back and.
playing this guy anymore.
Oh yeah, that's a none. I'm going rainbow.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's a rainbow.
that's a nice rainbow. Yeah, I'm gonna give you this thing. Do another one of these.
I'll do the whole net as well. He's on the bridge again.
Did you really?
Yes, I think. Because I just saw the scud.
I believe you. I believe. Yeah, you're right. You are right. You almost got rid of that. Glad I kept it on. Yeah. Yep. I almost did it. Look at him. Look at that guy. What a beautiful fish.
Healthy. Okay, I was wrong about the skinny.
Yep, he's not skinny. All right, here we go. Nice fish. Look at that. All right, fishing in the rain.
Tired me out.